Storage security is a core element of cloud security. It's very important to know where your data is located and in which region. As you start building your application, you need to fully understand and incorporate location and access into your planning for the use of data lifecycle within your organization. So what is data sovereignty? It is the concept that information which has been converted and stored in binary digital form is subject to the laws of the country in which it's located. Many of the current concerns that surround data sovereignty relate to enforcing privacy regulation and preventing data that is stored in a foreign country or region from being subpoenaed by the host country or region's government. In Azure, your data might be replicated within a selected geographic area for enhanced data durability in case of major data center disaster, and in some cases will not be replicated outside it. Azure operates in multiple geographies around the world. Azure geography is a defined area of the world that contains at least one Azure region. So an Azure region is an area within geography containing one or more data centers. Each Azure region is paired with another region within the same geography, forming a regional pair. The exception is Southern Brazil data center, which is paired with a region outside its geography. Across the region pairs, Azure serializes platform updates or planned maintenance, so that only one per region is updated at a time. In the event of an outage affecting multiple regions, one region in each pair will be prioritized for recovery. So let me explain the benefits of paired regions. The first benefit is physical isolation. When possible, Azure services prefer at least 300 miles of separation between data center in a regional pair, although this isn't practical or possible in all geographies. Physical data center separation reduces the likelihood of both regions being affected simultaneously as a result of natural disaster, civil unrest, power outages, or physical network outages. Isolation is subject to the constraint within geography, such as geography size, power and network infrastructure availability, and regulations. The second benefit is platform-provided replication. Some services such as geo-redundant storage provide automatic replication to the paired region. The third benefit ties to the region recovery order. In the event of broad outage, recovery of one region is prioritized out of every pair. Applications that are deployed across paired regions are guaranteed to have one of the region recovery with priority. If an application is deployed across regions that are not paired, recovery might be delayed. In the worst case, the chosen regions might be the last two to be recovered. The fourth benefit is associated with sequential updates. Planned Azure system updates are rolled out to paired regions sequentially, not at the same time. This helps minimize downtime, the effects of bugs, and logical failure in the rare event of a bad update. The last benefit is data residency. To meet data residency requirements for tax and law enforcement jurisdiction purposes, a region resides within the same geography as its pair, except for Brazil South. Once this has been understood, controls will need to be checked to ensure which actors have permissions to perform relevant data functions from different locations.